Well, I would like people to understand that mirror and those lines that they see there is a language that humans have invented to understand the world. And the world is showing them that you can grow exponentially. Exponential growth came with my interest in the atom bomb. And the atom bomb became the atom bomb because in the 30s there were a lot of people working on the computers, on what we know now as the computers. They had to create a computer system to be ordered to make the atom bomb for the Second World War, the Americans. The planet Earth became in danger because the new techniques were not attacking the climate, but they were making the climate change a little bit, and all the water and the seas and the garbage and the agriculture. And it all began with a growing way you grow things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you can go to infinity. In between 1 and 2, there is an infinity of numbers. I took classes with a mathematician, friend of mine, who taught me a lot of mathematics about the new mathematics that made possible that way of thinking of the world. And now we're always still thinking of how can we limit growth of certain things that are growing more than we need to be able to let them grow. And that's when I began doing the exponential growth drawing that I did. The painting of exponential growth has 16 panels. And in the first panel you begin with a white panel, the second panel you begin with a line, and then the originally white panel becomes black of all the lines that are, if you make them exponentially growth, each one. 2, 4, 16, 64, tan, tan, tan. To show it more vividly, I decided to make a video. A room where you put a mirror and things, mirror in 4 sides and in the ceiling and in the floor, and you put something and the mirror attracts mirror and the mirror reflects, and it goes, you see it recede on the wall, how it recedes, the different images that are making on this wall and the other wall, and you see the infinite. Well, you don't see the infinite, you see it going towards the infinite. I think growth changes the nature of the earth. For human life in the cosmos, you need a certain kind of air. And if you let this air change its nature, you kill life in the cosmos. And that's the problem with the climate change, that is growing exponentially.